Tory Lanez was handcuffed in court, y'all. I'm not kidding. This comes from TMZ. This is official news. This is the truth. This is not just something where I'm joking or anything like that. This really actually happened. Tory Lanez should have stayed off of social media. See how Cardi B deleted her Twitter and her Instagram? You need to do the same thing. But first, click the thumbs up button. Clicking thumbs up helps with the algorithm. More people will see this video. More people will know what happened. So click thumbs up. Make sure you at least say hi or leave some sort of comment. That also helps to trigger the algorithm. Thank you very much to the people who are going to do that. If you want to subscribe and choose all notifications, that would be awesome as well. Tory Lanez handcuffed in court for violating order in Megan Thee Stallion case. That's the title of the TMZ article posted today, April 5th of 2022. Here's what they wrote. Tory Lanez was handcuffed in court and had his bail increased after a judge ruled he violated the protective order in his case with Megan Thee Stallion for talking about her on social media. The Canadian rapper had a hearing Tuesday in Los Angeles where he was remanded into custody of the sheriff's department, and the judge set his bail at $350,000. Prosecutors had requested he be held without bail, or at least set at $5 million. We're told he's in the process of posting the $350,000. So here's the good part. We're going to get back to those numbers, but first, here's the good part. What TMZ posted was the actual tweet. The judge said Tory's tweet, where he directly addressed Megan as, quote, "you," was a violation of a protective order. He's not supposed to contact or mention her at all. Tory fired off that tweet back in February when he said, quote, "good D word had me effing two best friends and I got caught. That's what I apologize for." It's sick how you spun it though. Prosecutors also voiced concern about a tweet from DJ Academics from February, which read, quote, "breaking. It was revealed in court a few moments ago that Tory Lanez's DNA was not found on the weapon in the Megan Thee Stallion case. The prosecutors believe that information was given to Academics from Tory's team. However, Tory's attorney Sean Hawley said that wasn't probable because DJ Academics' initial tweet was wrong. Tory's DNA wasn't on the magazine and the sample from the gun was inconclusive. In other words, semantics. We'll get back to that statement. About 15 minutes after posting his initial tweet, Act posted a new one, which reflected the inconclusive finding. Of course, this all pertains to Tory's felony assault case stemming from charges that he allegedly fired a gun in her direction and caused her great bodily harm, to which he's pled not guilty. Shout out to TMZ. Thank you so much for that accurate news. Now we know exactly what's going on. Now let me go ahead and give my opinion. Click the thumbs up button. And to let me know you're still listening, say this in the comment section. If you think that Tory actually shot that gun, say Tory aims, as in AMIS, like aiming a gun. If you don't think he did, say Tory's pain. Because this has got to be a pain in the behind for him having to deal with all of this if he's not guilty. So either he is guilty or he's not. So Tory aims or Tory's pain in the comment section. Let me know whether or not you think he did this. Here's the thing. First of all, they wanted to set his bail at least. First of all, they wanted him to be held without bail or set at least $5 million. In other words, they wanted to make sure that he just did not get out. Because they figured $5 million, he might not be able to pay that. So prosecutors... It looks like the prosecutors allegedly want this guy to go away for a long time. It looks like they think he's guilty, allegedly, because when you go that far, you know, it seems as if they're really trying to go out of their way to punish him. And if he is innocent, this is just terrible. But another thing I have to point out is that they said, okay, DJ Academics said, let me see, blah, 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 revealed in court moments ago that Tory Lanez's DNA was not in capital letters found on the weapon in the Megan Thee Stallion case. And then they said, well, it was inconclusive as far as the gun was concerned. However, his DNA was not on the magazine. So his DNA, I guess fingerprints as well. I guess that's included in all of that. But his DNA was not in the magazine and the gun was inconclusive. So maybe, maybe not. So they're playing a game of technicalities. CYA covering your behind. So what do you guys think? Do you think that Tory did it? Do you think that he didn't do it? If you think that Tory is going to go to jail, now this is a completely separate question. Now, if you think that Tory is going to be found guilty, which is, you know, completely different than asking whether or not you think he did it. Being found guilty and actually being guilty are two different things, right? So do you think he's going to be found guilty in a court of law? Let's make our predictions. If you think he's going to be found guilty, say guilty is charged. That's the secret password. Let me know you listen to the end. Guilty is charged. If you think he's innocent, say Tory's innocent. That'll let me know how you think this is going to work out. I really can't call this one because it's really a toss-up. It looks like there's not enough evidence to convict. But I mean, they've convicted people with less evidence, haven't they? You know what I mean? Also, there didn't appear to be any bullet holes going through Megan's foot through one side and out the other. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you really think about it, If you saw the pictures, it looked like some pieces of the ground, some shrapnel, whatever, hit her like ricocheted. It looked like a ricochet wound, or yeah, she got cut by some glass. She stepped in some glass or something, some other sort of superficial injury. That was not a gunshot wound. Anybody who's ever seen an actual gunshot wound knows that that's not what a person who was actually penetrated by a bullet looks like. I'm not talking about fragments, not fragments. I'm talking about an actual direct hit. Okay, and I posted a picture up on Instagram and Twitter of a real foot that got shot alongside Megan's alleged injuries. Trust me, it was night and day. If you had to choose between one or two, trust me, you would choose whatever Megan went through that night was not like what it was made out to seem. That's what I do know. But the media spins things, you know, people see things differently than what they are and whatnot. People lie. I'm not accusing Megan of anything for legal reasons. This is all alleged information. We're just having fun here. Anyway, this is all opinion, alleged and information and whatnot. I don't know what I'm talking about. You know, maybe me and Megan both need to put the bottle down. Now, just saying, allegedly. Anyway, click the thumbs up button. Make sure y'all click that thumbs up button. It's free $99 to do that. Click thumbs up. Make sure you at least say hi in the comment section. Helps with the algorithm. Subscribe and choose all notifications if you want more. And, you know, I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on this debacle. We got a big old horse on one side and a little jockey on the other. Hopefully the little jockey will get away, because I honestly, in my heart of hearts, I don't believe that he did that. I just don't. And they put extras on it. He said dance, B-word, dance, like it's some scene out of a movie. And I'm like, really? Tory Lanez said that? Who really thinks that he really said to her dance? If you think he really said that, please say he made her dance. If you don't believe that, say she didn't dance. Please say that in the comment section, because I just don't believe that. Anyway, I gotta go, y'all.